Asoy!
Hi there, I'm the one who will tell you again the story. First, can you give us a prize?
No!
It's okay, but I will tell you my story. It's about a broken pot. But first, did you know what a pot?
Yes!
Do you want me to draw it?
Yes!
But first, where's my chalk?
In your ear.
Here.
No! Yes!
There you are.
Oh.
How did I get the pot? Like this?
No!
This?
No!
Or...
Yes!
That is exactly what's the shape of the pot.
Yes!
Let's go back to our story. In a certain place, there is a man, a Brahman, whose name is Sababak Rekana, which means a born meter. He collected quantity of rice by begging, and after running out of it, he filled a pot of what is left over. He put the pot on the bank of the water,
Total.
and finished, and took it to sleep all the night, then
Pala. Nakatal.
there's a coming, I certainly have 100 rupees.
Ano? Ipapost niya.
And then, there will
Lumaki.
be a young one every 6 months. With the goals, I shall find out. As soon as
Nag-memorize na pala sa loob
with
doon.
the color, I will buy a buffalo. With a buffalo, bear. As soon as they have foaled, I have plenty of horses. And with the horses, plenty of girls. With the girls, I shall buy a house with 4 wings. Did you know what is a house with 4 wings?
Mamaya.
It is a house with 4 levels, like this. It's not basic.
Lusig.
Then it's a large room with a small horn like this room. That's the house with 4 wings. Let's go back to our story. Then, a rich man will come to my house and give his beautiful daughter with a large dowry. She will have a son, and I will call him the master man. When it's old enough to dance on his father's knee, I shall sit on a book at the back of the table, and when it's old enough to go to the horse pool, full of anger, I will tell to my wife, "Get away, baby! Get the baby!" But she, distracted by supplementing work, does not hear me. Then, I get up, and I
Mangalay na ako.
a cake. How could I make a cake? Is it like this? Or this?
Justin.
This.
Yes!
But while he was this, he never thought that the pot was provided by his fear. All the rice fell on the ground and made him quite white. He made foolish plans for the future will be white all over.